Hello everyone. Alright, welcome back. What I have for you today, it's a BMW 5 Series. It's made by Matchbox. Now this is a special edition. They call them the Premier Collection. You could tell right away that it's a special edition when Matchbox put all these small details like the tires, special tires. Even says Goodyear in the tires. I guess they're sponsoring. You can see the headlights are painted. Even the hood has the little BMW logo in the top right there. It has a plate number, license plate number. Very detailed, very well made. But it was more expensive. It's not the ones that you find for $1. This is like probably back then when it was new. I think it cost like $5-6. But this is not for a little kid to play around and crash around. This is more for a collector. You can see I just noticed that you can see the fog lights too in the bottom. Very good. Well detailed. I like that. Chrome tires too. It makes it stand out, especially in a BMW. It's worth it. Stand around a little bit, see what's going on the other side. Let's put it more in the center. Let's push this car in the center a little more. I noticed they even have the side light, you know, whatever they call them, I don't know. The door is open on this one, which is good. It shows a little sunroof. It's not see-through, but it shows like a sunroof there. I don't know if they call them sunroof, they call them moonroof. I don't know. I can't tell what is the difference from one to another, but if anyone knows, you can always clear it out. Turn it around. The back is as detailed as the front. This car is so detailed that you really cannot see in the video. But it shows the strings of the rear defroster in the window. It shows the screen. The lines, like it will be defrosted. The tail lights are painted. Very detailed. The license plate, the BMW logo, props. Matchbox did a very good job on this car. Very good job. They stopped making these Premier Series, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they still make them. But this is a model that it was sold a while ago. It's not something new. Let me know what you think about the car. I especially really like it because it's so detailed that it's nice looking at it. Alright, let me know. Thumbs up if you like the video, which I hope you do. Subscribe to my page. If you already subscribed, welcome back. Hope you like them. Many videos are coming up. I just do 2 or 3 at a time because, you know, it's not a 1, 2, 3. I want to film it. I want to show exactly everything about the car. Alright? Bye-bye.